Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm good.
I'm so glad. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes,
Very good. Let's see here. What are we doing today? Go. Can you see everything?
yes,
Very good. Let's begin here. Are you ready to listen carefully?
yes.
Very good.
Page 65. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Was he at the beach yesterday?
Yes, he was.
Was he at the beach yesterday?
No, he wasn't. He was at the aquarium.
Was she at the beach yesterday?
Yes, she was.
Was she at the beach yesterday?
No, she wasn't. She was at the aquarium.
Wasn't. Was not.
1,
Was he at the beach yesterday?
Yes, he was.
3,
Was she at the aquarium yesterday?
No, she wasn't. She was at the hotel.
3,
Was she at the amusement park yesterday?
Yes, she was.
4,
Was he at the museum yesterday?
Yes, he was.
5,
Was she at the hotel yesterday?
No, she wasn't. She was at the pool.
6,
Was he at the pool yesterday?
No, he wasn't. He was at the aquarium.
Now, can you read for me? Teacher cannot hear you.
Was he at the beach yesterday? Yes, he was. Was he at the beach yesterday? No, he was. No, he wasn't. He was at the aquarium. Was she at the beach yesterday? No, she wasn't. Yes, she was. Was she at the beach yesterday? No, she wasn't. She was at the aquarium.
Very good. Now, can you read these?
Wasn't. Was not.
Fantastic. What's number 1?
Was he at the beach yesterday? Yes, he was. Was she at the aquarium in the yesterday? No, she wasn't. She was at the hotel. Was she at the amusement park? At the amusement park yesterday? Yes, she was. Yes, she was. Was he at the? Was he at what? Was he at the museum yesterday? Yes, he was. Was he at the hotel yesterday? No, she wasn't. She was at the pool. Was he at the pool yesterday? No, he wasn't. He was at the aquarium.
Very good. High five. You did that so easily. Very good work. can you tell me? Where was your friend yesterday? Do you know?
Okay, I know. Yes, can I read me too?
Yes, you can do it with you. Where were you
Um,
yesterday?
my best friend Sam is going to um, to Vũng Tàu in Vietnam and swimming in this.
Wow, very good. And where were
And
you yesterday?
and I am going to Đà in Vietnam I this is my birthday.
Remember when we are talking about what already happened? We say, I went, she went.
I went to Đà and I have a funny birthday party in that.
Very, very good. Well done. Thank you for sharing. Now, let's see. Where was he?
He was at the aquarium.
Very good. Where was he?
He was at the beach.
Where was he?
He was at the pool.
Where was he?
He was at the amusement park.
Where was she?
She was at the museum.
Where was he?
He was at the aquarium.
Where was he?
He was at the hotel.
Fantastic. Well done. Now, are you ready to play a game?
Yes.
Very good. Can you read for me everything first?
Where was he yesterday? The museum, the hotel, the amusement park.
Where was she yesterday? Where was she yesterday?
She was at the hotel.
Fantastic. Next one.
Where 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 were you yesterday? The beach, the pool, the aquarium.
Where were you yesterday?
The beach.
I was at the beach.
I was at the beach.
Fantastic.
And
Yes.
to the Saturday I'm going to Vũng Tàu um and swimming on the beach and and I drank sour.
Did you already do it or are you going to do it this Saturday?
I going to the beach. I I mm, when I play in the beach. Mm, when I play in the beach, then the big rain is the big rain is the big rain is pour too. And and mm, and my parents allow us to take a rain shower.
Wow. And was it fun?
Yes.
I'm so glad. Did you meet some new friends at the beach?
No, but I have a new friend. Is uh is Sal,
Oh, I see. Where did you meet Sam?
and I have a craft too.
Very good. But where did you meet Sam? At the beach or at school?
No. This beach have a sail, don't have a shark and sand.
Oh, I see. Wow. Can you swim there?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Can you swim very well?
Now I am playing on the beach. I don't swim.
See, very, very good. Yes, because sometimes it's dangerous to swim. Well done. The next one?
Where were they yesterday? The amusement park, the museum, the pool.
Where were they yesterday?
The museum.
Fantastic. So what do we say?
They they was they was at the museum.
Very good, but not was.
They were at the museum.
Fantastic. Again, they were at the museum.
They were in the museum.
Fantastic. Next one.
Mm,
Yes.
I am go to a Mortis museum.
Wow. Were there many things to see?
Yes.
And with who did you go?
Um. mm,
Who went with you?
mm, um. My dad, my grandma, and my younger brother went with me, and I am very afraid of the photos.
Did you take many photos?
What?
Did you take many photos? Pictures? Or not really?
Mm, yeah, it's very as very scary. And my dad mm, and my dad just kidding with me. Mm, mm, night today you don't have a bad dream.
Oh, I see. So your dad had to make sure that you didn't have any nightmares.
Yes.
That's very kind of him. Wow,
Yeah.
very good. Can you read for me? What is this one?
Where was he yesterday? The aquarium, the amusement park, the pool. The pool.
Very good. Can you circle? Can you tell me again? Where was he yesterday?
He's, he, he was at the pool.
Fantastic work. Next one.
Where was your mother yesterday? The amusement park, the aquarium, the beach. The aquarium.
Where was your mother yesterday?
Mm, my mother is good. Mm, my mother, she was at the aquarium.
There we go. Very, very good. Now let's look at the homework. Can you read for me these places in town?
Post, post office,
Post office,
post office, restaurant, park,
church,
church, fire station, shopping center,
shopping center,
shopping center, hospital.
very good. Now, where were you yesterday? Can you read Sarah?
Mm, what?
Can you read this part of Sarah? Where was Sarah yesterday?
Sarah was at the bookshop yesterday morning.
Fantastic work. Well done. Very good. High five. That was excellent. Very good work. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes,
Great. Let's begin. Can you see everything?
yes,
Very good. Now let's see. Let's see if you can quickly answer these. Where are you going?
I'm going to a beach.
Fantastic. Where are you going?
Mm, I am going to aquarium.
Very good. Where are you going?
I'm going to amusement park.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a museum.
Yes. Where are you going?
I'm going to mm, um what?
Home.
Um 5-star hotel.
Yes. Wow. Can you say again? 5-star hotel.
5-star hotel.
Great job. Do you know what five
Yes,
stars mean?
yes.
What does 5 stars mean?
Um I don't know, but I know this hotel is very rich.
Yes. 5-star hotels means it's a very, very good hotel.
Yes, and it's very expensive.
Very expensive. Yes. Have you been to a 5-star hotel?
Mm, no, but I don't know. I don't know a number of star, but this is diagramming, and I see it's very good.
Very good. Well done. Where are you going?
I'm going to the pool.
Fantastic work. What is Unit 7 about?
Out and about.
Very good. And lesson 51?
Places to go.
Great job. Now, let's listen carefully to these new words.
Page
Book
66. Lesson 2.
Sorry? Yes? Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Okay.
Page 66. Lesson 2. Places to go. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Bookstore.
2,
Pharmacy.
3,
Toy store.
4,
Hair salon.
5,
Coffee shop.
6,
Flower shop.
Can you tell me what's this first one?
What?
What is this first one?
Bookstore.
Very good. Bookstore.
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 Very good. Next one.
Pharmacy.
Fantastic. Pharmacy.
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 Pharmacy. Toy store.
Yes, toy store.
Toy store.
Toy store.
Toy store.
Toy store.
Toy store. Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Hair salon. Coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
Coffee shop. Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Flower shop.
Fantastic. Now, are you ready to listen and practice?
Yes.
Great job. Let's listen carefully.
Page 66. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Where were they yesterday?
They were at the bookstore. 1,
Where were they yesterday?
They were at the bookstore.
2,
Where were they yesterday?
They were at the pharmacy.
3,
Where were they yesterday?
They were at the toy store.
4,
Where were they yesterday? They were at the hair salon.
5,
Where were they yesterday? They were at the coffee shop.
6,
Where were they yesterday?
They were at the flower shop.
Can you read for me?
Where were they yesterday? They were at the bookstore. Where were they yesterday? They were at the bookstore. Where were they yesterday? They were at the hair salon.
Not hair salon. This is hair salon. Look, she is sick. So where do we go when we're sick?
Oh, where were they yesterday? They were at the hospital. Pharmacy.
Yes, it's where you get your medicine when you are sick. So number 2 again.
Where were they yesterday? They were at the pharmacy. Where were they yesterday? They were at the toy shop.
What shop?
Well, they were at the toy shop.
Shop.
Where were toy store?
Yes, again.
Where were they yesterday? They were at the toy store. Where were they yesterday? They were at the hair salon. Where were they yesterday? They were at the coffee shop. Where were they yesterday? They were at the flower shop.
Fantastic. Well done. Now let's practice. Can you complete the dialogue?
Mm, yes.
What should the sentence be? Very good. Can you read your sentence?
She was at the bookstore.
Very, very good. Well done. Next one. Can you read your sentence to me?
He was at the pharmacy.
Very good. Can we look at the spelling of pharmacy? It's almost correct. We just need an R, pharmacy.
Yes.
Yes, so here needs to be an R. Can you make a R for me?
Yes.
An R.
Mm.
A-R. And then M-A-C-Y. There we go. Can you read it now again?
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
He was at the pharmacy.
Fantastic work. Next one.
They was at the
Also remember we don't use was. Very good. Can you read for me?
they were at the flower shop.
Very good. When we say flower shop, we don't need to add an S. Because if it's a flower shop, we already know there will be many flowers. So we just say flower shop. There we go. Very, very good. Next one. Fantastic. Can you read for me?
They were at the hair salon.
Very, very good. Can you just say again? Hair salon.
Hair salon.
Great job. Now, are you ready to listen again?
Yes.
Great. This one we have to listen carefully again. Here we go.
Page 67. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Were they at the bookstore yesterday?
Yes, they were.
Were they at the bookstore yesterday?
No, they weren't. They were at the pharmacy.
Weren't. Were not.
1,
Were they at the bookstore yesterday?
No, they weren't. They were at the pharmacy.
2,
Were they at the pharmacy yesterday?
No, they weren't. They were at the flower shop.
3,
Were they at the toy store yesterday?
Yes, they were.
4,
Were they at the hair salon yesterday?
Yes, they were.
5,
Were they at the coffee shop yesterday?
Yes, they were.
6,
Were they at the flower shop yesterday? No, they weren't. They were at the bookstore.
Can you read for me?
Were they at the bookstore yesterday? Yes, they were. Were they at the bookstore yesterday? No, they wasn't. They were at the pharmacy.
They were at the pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Very good. Can you say again? They were at the pharmacy.
They were at the pharmacy. Weren't. Were not.
1.
Were they at the bookstore yesterday? No, they weren't. They were at the pharmacy. Were they at the pharmacy yesterday? No, they wasn't. They wasn't at the pharmacy.
Can you say again? No, they weren't. They were at the flower shop.
Where isn't? Um,
No,
weren't.
no, they weren't.
No, no, no,
They were.
they were. They were.
At the
At the pharmacy.
flower shop. They were at the flower shop.
They were at the flower shop.
Very good. Again, number 2.
Were they at the bookstore yesterday?
Not bookstore. Were they at the
Pharmacy.
Again, where?
No, they wasn't. They were at the flower shop.
Very good. Can you do it again? Remember, there's no wasn't. All of them are were or weren't.
Pharmacy.
Were.
Pharmacy.
Yes, but you must do number 2 again. So what's the question? Almost finished. This is the last
What?
one. We are almost finished. This is the last one. What's this question? Can we quickly do this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Were they at the pharmacy yesterday? No, they wasn't. They were at the flower shop.
Very good. Remember, no, they weren't.
No, they weren't.
3.
Were they at the toy store yesterday? Yes, they were. Were
Teacher cannot
they,
hear
were
you.
they, were they her salon? Were they at the hospital yesterday? Yes, yes, they were. Were they at the coffee shop yesterday? Yes, they were. Were they at the bookstore yesterday? No. No. Were they at the flower shop yesterday? No, they weren't. They were at the bookshop,
Not shop.
bookstore.
Yes. Again, they were at the bookstore.
They were at the bookstore.
Can you do number 6 one more time?
They were,
Were they?
They were at the bookstore. Were they at the books? Were they at the flower shop yesterday? No, they weren't. They were at the bookshop, bookstore.
There we go. And number 2 one more time. Were.
Were they at the pharmacy yesterday? No, they weren't. They were at the flower shop.
Very good. Can you say with me? Flower shop,
Flower shop.
toy store,
Toy, toy store.
coffee shop,
Bookstore.
bookstore. Very good. High five. You did excellent today. Great job. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.